Welcome to Cape Town. This is another sunny summer's day. Yes, there is sun. Somewhere out there. Let's just have a look. A beautiful day at the beach in Gordons Bay. And the sun has just peeped through the clouds. You know what they say about faith, the assured expectation of things hoped for. We're hoping it's going to work out to be a lovely summer's day. I hear the sound of cars in rainy weather. Yes, do not be misled. Anything can change at any time. This is Cape Town. And it does change instantly. We're going to take a walk through to Bikini Beach and have a look at the waves. It's about 9 in the morning on this summer's day. Yeah. We used to have Christmas in July lights up here in the winter, which used to be quite nice. They put up little candle lights, fairy lights through this forest of milkwoods. Be nice to see that again one day. There's the Navy base straight ahead, and some truly amazing Airbnbs and hotels on the mountainside. There it is, the promised sunshine. Any moment now it's going to be a beautiful day. The wind coming in from the west. Currently a black southeaster, as you can hear. The wind just starting to build up a little bit, but I'm sure it's going to be a lovely day. Even if it is a Monday. It's not a blue one, it's a grey one. Well, now let's rise up above it all and take an aerial perspective, a view of Bikini Beach and surrounds. It's a lovely day. In my opinion, it's not too bad. Let's fly into the legend, Bikini Beach, the star of the show. And nobody's home on the beach. Not suntanning, that's for sure. And there, for your interest, Nick, is the Gordons Bay Yacht Club. And the dry dock just to the left. A couple of very nice yachts and boats. Have a look there. And for your recreation and entertainment a little bit later this evening, perhaps the Thirsty Oyster pub will suffice. Just down there in the trees. Excellent. I'm thirsty. If you enjoy doing a little bit of fishing, why not pop down to the pier, take a walk along there. You'll thoroughly enjoy it, even if it's just for relaxing and watching the sea. Very nice spot indeed. There's the point. Let's head out there and take a closer look. Not much of a wave, obviously, but you can see its potential. Some lovely Airbnb hotels on the point there. I noticed someone who's just arrived, just got married, and has spent the night there. Good for them. And there, in a momentary lapse of sunshine, all has been revealed. But here we are, coming back down to earth. And here, I'm afraid, we see the evidence of the ocean action, and no matter how much public works tries to restore the soil and the grass, it keeps getting washed away. Sorry about that. But there's some nice walk down there. Just look down there to your right. There's that nice rock wall to walk along to the tidal pool. Another perfect Cape Townian summer's day. The moody old Cape. Beautiful, but changeable. Totally unpredictable. The Cape of Storms. Beautiful, safe beaches, scenic background, milkwood trees, a protected species, by the way. Not allowed to cut them or destroy them, and hopefully these will be here for a very long time yet. They're already hundreds of years old, so you do want to protect them. One of the most beautiful beaches in the world, Gordon's Bay. One of the lesser known beaches of Cape Town. No drugs or alcohol. Really? You need that? Okay. No littering or loitering, please.